Today is another day on this trip. We are on day number 4. We are checking out of our hotel over here, or kind of more our homestay, and we are heading north to Bumatut. This is us setting up right now. We are officially leaving the city of Baolac, and we're heading towards Bumatut, just as I had said in the last video. There's one tiny little problem. The route to Bumatut is affected by the floods. There's been landslides. We are trying to go the route that is, as we can see on Google Maps, isn't affected by the floods. So we're really hoping that's the case. We've asked people and they've said, okay, that route is fine. However, they said the exact same thing about the route towards the coast that was completely flooded. So it's really hard to trust what people say. Yeah, you want to try it? Yeah. All right. Just stopped to get some food. This place looks like it's packed. It's a good sign. We're gonna have some broken rice, known as kumtam. Just had some of this delicious food. Got some hutiu. Honestly, really amazing. You can tell by the amount of people here. So the big plan now, and what we want to do, is go down the Ho Chi Minh Trail. And for your history buffs, that's the trail that was used during the Vietnam War, where the communists would use to give out supplies. And this trail is very close to the border between Cambodia and Laos. And if you were to look at the map of the Ho Chi Minh Trail, it goes through a lot of mountains. Some sections are less mountainous than others, but in general, it's on the mountainous side of Vietnam. Alright, I thought I'd just share how some of these roads are looking like. Really nice. We're near the rubber tree farms. That rubber tree has some very dark history. I'm just gonna tell you a quick snippet of history from that, but I'd highly recommend you reading about it yourself. Essentially, people worked in really terrible conditions when making these rubber trees, practically slavery. And they would use the dead bodies of the workers when they died from such poor working conditions to fertilize more rubber trees. So yeah, if you run into a rubber tree farm that's quite old, most likely it's surrounded by dead bodies. It's really gross. Right there, rubber trees. I'm gonna go slow. Yep, those are it. The rubber trees. No fucking way. Shit. Yeah. Roads are closed. Damn, all these people are walked out. No way around. Bad idea, huh? Go this way? We should have gone the other way. Alright, I was looking at an alternate route we can go, because this is not looking good. You want to ask him?
Okay. Anh ơi, ngã ba Tân Lâm Di Linh là hướng nào á anh? Dạ dạ.
Đi thêm dẫn nào chia là dẫn qua đường lớn rồi đi.
Dạ dạ rồi, cảm ơn. Dạ.
What
Follow
happened?
him, follow.
Him? Follow him?
Follow.
Okay, okay. All right. Following this guy. Apparently he's gonna lead us to the right route to Bumatut.
Dạ dạ dạ.
Đi vào
Em
đường Mai
cảm
Ba
ơn
nha.
anh nhiều
All right,
nha.
thank you.
Dạ.
Đi qua đường Mai Ba.
Dạ dạ dạ. Em cảm ơn anh nhiều nha. Trời. Thì rất rối não.
All right, so that guy who escorted us was actually someone who worked with the government. And the good news is that this route that we're heading towards is open. So it's no longer a guessing game. Some bad news is that we wasted about a good 2 hours of our time going in the wrong direction. That gamble we took this morning, we lost. I am not a gambling man. I don't like to gamble. I had to, and I lost. One thing I found kind of funny, and I understand Vietnam is not a Western country, but one thing I found really funny was there was no warnings that it was closed. The whole route. Not until maybe 5 or 10 minutes before, they literally had boxes with tiny writing on it. Like someone just printed out paper, typed it up, printed out paper, and stapled them to a box. And that was... Jesus Christ, dude. This is really just blocking the road. Anyways, as I was saying, I just found it a little funny how their warning was just literally a piece of paper stapled to a box 10 minutes before the road closure. And it's looking kind of rural. I hope my wife is okay. I know she doesn't like going down these routes. Don't get me wrong, I really like off-roading. I like going, these types of routes. But right now, spirits are a little low. My wife is a bit tired. She just wants to get on the main road so we can finally kind of make it to Bumatut. And it's like, yep, the shortcut's this way. It's a dirt road. This thing's like clay. Bro. No way. We were here earlier. So we just finished eating. It's pretty good. And we were looking at Google Maps to see how far the city is, and it's literally 4 hours and 30 minutes, which means everything we did today was sort of kind of a waste in terms of timing. It was fun though. It was a nice place to visit. Got to see those rubber trees, some beautiful mountains. It was a really nice route. But it was definitely not the place we needed to be or go. Look at this gorgeous view. Oh my god. It's beautiful. All these mountains around us, surrounded by coffee. Look at that. Oh, coffee. Amazing. The village here of the Hmong people. My wife says that the Hmong live here in these mountains. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, I know. Look at that. They have a lot of wood. Probably gets cold at night. The clothing and style I would say it's a little more eccentric than your typical Vietnamese. You can see that lady right there. That's kind of cool. Oh God. Some more of the hammam style. Kind of cool. More here. You can see this. A little bit of traditional dresses that you can wear. This is gorgeous. It looks so much like Peru. This is magnificent. Jeez. Jeez, we're at the top. Woo! God damn. What a beauty. Just stunning. Sheesh. This country does not disappoint. At all. Just look at that. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna film with a 360 right now because this is just way too damn beautiful. Alright, got an update for tonight. We got super tired, so we found a hotel in Wang Sung. So, I'm trying to pronounce that right. I don't know if I am looking at my wife. Okay, looks like I pronounced it well. Anyways, we're gonna get some sleep, and then first thing tomorrow, we are heading out to Bumatut, hopefully Pleiku. We'll see. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See ya.